In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit card or credit card on Temu. Easy Guide 2026. If you want to delete a saved payment method from your Temu account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to temu.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the card is currently saved. If you have multiple accounts, it's worth double checking this first so you don't end up looking in the wrong place. Once you're signed in, look for your account icon or avatar. This is usually found near the top area of the website. Click on it to open your account options. From there, select your payment methods. This section is where Temu stores the cards and other payment options linked to your account. After the payment methods page opens, take a moment to locate the debit card or credit card you want to remove. If you have more than one saved card, check the last few digits carefully so you choose the correct one. This is especially helpful if your cards look similar or if you've added multiple payment methods over time. When you find the card you want to delete, click Edit. This will open the settings for that specific card. Inside that menu, look for the option labeled Remove or Delete. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device, browser, or any updates to the Temu website, but it should be easy to recognize. Click Remove or Delete and then confirm the removal when prompted. This confirmation step is important because it prevents cards from being removed by accident. Once confirmed, the card should no longer appear in your saved payment methods. If the card doesn't disappear immediately, try refreshing the page and checking again. In some cases, the website may take a moment to update. Also, if a card is tied to an active order or payment issue, Temu may limit changes until that process is completed, so keep that in mind. And that's it. That's how to remove a debit card or credit card on Temu. It's a quick way to keep your payment settings organized and up to date, especially if you no longer use a card or simply want to improve account security.